Okay, so here's a video of my 52-inch Halsey Ceiling Fan, which by the way is not CC. I'm just doing a remake video, and I added a 4-light kit on it. Looks nice. I kind of prefer tulip shades on it, but we'll go ahead and start demo. Well, before we do, there's the cane, plain oak on the other side. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Ball socket canopy. So here's a demo, starting with the light. Added different light bulbs on it. Light bulb I thought I was going to use was this one, but this one blew out. So I was like, nope, not doing that one. Pretty bright, but turn the light off and we'll start it on low. Okay. Now we'll bump it up to medium. It still wobbles. I don't know how I can control that. Wobbles a little bit, but because I think the blades are unbalanced, be in my opinion. But I can feel a breeze from it. So there's your medium. And we'll turn it to high speed. I gotta hold it because this thing does wobble a lot on high. And it's really moving a good decent amount of breeze. Turn it on with the light. All right, now we'll go ahead and power off. I got this for, I think, $20 from Habitat. There were 2 of these. Came with a 3 turtle fitter light kit, but I took the 3 light kit off of this one because I didn't really care for it on this fan. Oh, and yes, it's an anti-brass too. Especially the light kit. And there you have it. Enjoy.